Samsung has finally done it. Faster performance, a refined touch bezel, excellent battery life, and no more compromises for Android users who don't have a Samsung phone. After just 1 year where OS 3 has reached its full potential, the case is made from titanium and screen is covered in thick sapphire crystal, which the company says is about 60% stronger than last year's model. Titanium is great material for watches, but not really because it's durable. It's very light and it has a wonderful soft warmth that removes the harshness of steel or the cheapness of plastic. It's definitely durable, but it's debatable how much more durable it is over stainless steel resin or a polymer blend. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a new entrant to the series altogether, and it's got a 45mm face, and it's designed for, as Samsung says, the great outdoors. That means it's got features like enhanced durability, it's got GPS built in for people who go on hikes, or run around outside a lot. Samsung says it's improved some of these sensors, get you better, or more accurate reading, and it's introduced new features into its health and tracking system. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the best feature is its new GPS. I know this feature is not a big deal for these who don't hike or running, but this feature creates an interest in more of the fitness watches owners. The Galaxy watches are tribal the Apple Watch. Rumors galore have linked Apple to the release of an Apple Watch Pro, which will shift away from the luxury edition version and toward those who want a tougher watch on their wrists. The Apple Watch Pro is rumored to have a titanium case, more shadow-resistant glass, and enhanced hiking and swim tracking features. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro beating the Apple Watch 7 in terms of battery life and body composition measurements. Apple's upcoming watch is OS 9 update brings better fitness support with running power from the wrist. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes with a 590 mAh battery and charged around 30% in half an hour. And if you want your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to get fully charged, you need to put Galaxy Watch 5 Pro on charge around 2 hours 9 minutes. To get fully charged, which for 3 days battery life. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has comprehensive health tracking, that's continuous heart rate, SpO2, stress blood pressure, ECG, auto sleep tracking, and also the ability to measure your body composition. Blood oxygen monitoring is on demand, or you can activate SpO2 tracking during sleep. And also enhance your sleep patterns and reports. There is a new infrared temperature sensor. While you're sleeping, your skin temperature is monitored. What features do you like the most on the Watch 5 Pro? And are you interested in getting the Watch 5 Pro? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.